I greet you all according to your time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, your sister. If you're just seeing my channel for your first time, my name is Helen. I welcome you with full of joy and happiness. So, do me a favor after watching my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn that notification bell for me, like, share my video to your loved one. For my returning subscriber, I appreciate you for always be there for me, for watching my video, for your support, for your encourage. I appreciate you all, and may God bless you all in Jesus' name. Today's video, guys, I want to show you guys how I make my Nigeria native pan oil jollof rice. So if you want to see how I do it, take a glass of water, sit down, and let's get started. These are my ingredients: my onions and my fresh pepper. So these are my fish. That's my smoked fish, and then my fresh fish, my tomatoes. I will use half of it in these tomatoes. This is my Maggi cube, my pan oil. This is my rice, my crayfish. This is my crayfish, guys. So these are the ingredients I need for the oil rice, native oil palm rice. I'll be waiting on one color. Accident rice. That is what we call it for Nigeria, that year, accident rice. So I already turned the rice for about 9, boil it with hot water. Just wash it with hot water. So I will add a little salt to the water. What is it? Put the half of it of the tomatoes. Half of it. So I will add my crayfish now. So this rice, guys, everybody knows say this one will they eat for Nigeria that year. Fast food. That year we are just coming back we are just coming from school. There's no food at all. We say we will not drink garri, for we to drink garri, so let us just cook this accident right before 20 minutes. The food is ready. So I add my fish now. So I will cover it. I'll wait for 5 minutes. As you can see, guys, I will turn my fresh pepper. Turn it together. I will still cover it for like 2 to 3 minutes. So still cover it like 2 to 3 minutes. So that I will remove the fish. The back of fish that I use. I will remove the fish. That time we're just back from school, there's no food at home, just okay. I will call my little sister, I will say, go and bring rice, bring oil, bring this, let's prepare before 20 minutes. So guys, I already had my oil. I have had my oil. Now I will turn the rice, my rice into. So this is my rice. I will turn it together with my spoon. Turn it together. I'll pack all the fish. Put fish. Even the smoked fish, I'll put everything together. So I will cover it up now. So our food is almost ready. You see, guys, very easy and quick action. That's the reason why they call it accident rice for Africa diet. Call it accident rice because it's the easy food I ever see. Even easy passing on me. Just look at it. So after putting these onions, so I will cover it for just 2 to 3 minutes. So cover it so that the onions will go. See it, guys. The food is ready. It's ready. I can't wait to eat it because it looks so delicious. Man. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you watch my video from the beginning to the end, I appreciate you. I say may God in heaven bless you for your support, for always be there for me, for watching my video, for my new family. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming around. Please, and do me a favor, subscribe. Like as I said before, share my video to all your lovely one. Returning subscriber, I appreciate you all. You guys should come, let's eat it together because I cannot eat this alone. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.